Hi friends, my name is Achut and I'm from Vizag. So today's in this class, we will learn how to print taking two inputs, length and breadth, and we have to print the output as a area of rectangle and the perimeter of the rectangle. So as we know, if you want to use scanner, we have to import import java.util.star. Scanner s is equal to new scanner system.in. That is equal to c dot next int. So we have taken the two inputs, length and breadth. So area of the rectangle. So area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So these are the comments. So whatever we put in this backslash, so that statement will not be executed. So the rest of the program will be executed. So we will print the area of the rectangle. It is length into breadth. Same thing. So the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B, means length into breadth. So we'll print that system.out.println 2 into brackets length and length plus breadth. So the area of the rectangle is length into breadth, and the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length into breadth. So now we can execute this program. So the first input is 4, and the second input is 8. So length I'm taking 4 and breadth I'm taking 8. So the area of the rectangle should be length into breadth, right? So 8 4 is 32 will be the answer. And the second one is 2 into length plus breadth. So 8 plus 4 is 12, 2 into 12, 24. So the output should be 32 and 24. Yes, we got the area of the rectangle is 32 and the perimeter of the rectangle is 24. I hope you got it, how to print the area of the rectangle and the perimeter of the rectangle. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel And if you want more videos of mine, so you can press the bell icon so that you can get more videos of Java. Thank you so much.